Hi, it's Angeline here. I hope you're doing well this week. Well, I have a fun, quick tip technique for you today, and yes, I'm going to be blending with a makeup brush. So for this time, I colored this beautiful vintage camera by Unity with some Prismacolor pencils, and I'm also grabbing my Distress Oxide inks here, and of course, my magical tool, my old makeup brush. So what you do is grab your brush, swirl it around your ink, and then just brush it onto your card. What's great about this technique is that you will not have the harsh lines and it will all blend so well together. In between colors, just grab a wet wipe and just clean your brush there, wipe it dry before you move on to the next color, and that's it, easy peasy. And to create some water drops, I'm just spritzing some water onto my hand and clapping it above my card to create some subtle water drops. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique today and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!